How to fix TikTok, please try again later. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started with fixing this problem. First thing first, if you are being shown that error, then you have to make sure your application is updated. So head over to your Play Store. Here, simply search for TikTok. If you see update here, you have to tap on update and update your app. If it shows open, that means your application is already updated and you have to leave that as it is and open up your settings. Once done, scroll all the way below, then tap on apps. Here again, search for TikTok. And once you see TikTok, you have to open it. Scroll below and tap on storage and then clear the cache. If you remember your credentials like your username and password, you might also go ahead and tap on clear data and delete your data. Once done, come back onto app info page, tap on force stop, then OK. Under defaults, tap on set as default and make sure this is untoggled. Once you do so, restart your device and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then you may go ahead and open up any of your preferred web application like Chrome and simply type in tiktok.com and try logging in from that web browser. That is all for today, guys. Thank you all for watching and we will catch you up in our next upload.